The Anti-Corruption Trust of Southern Africa, Act SA, applauds the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission, ZACC, for launching the digital anti-corruption whistleblowing platform which seeks to protect the public and ensure their identity remains anonymous when reporting cases of corruption. This is a very important milestone towards protecting whistleblowers and ensuring non-disclosure when reporting cases of corruption. Again, Act SA noted that this feeds into progress towards implementing provisions of anti-corruption treaties which Zimbabwe signed and ratified, such as the United Nations Convention Against Corruption, the African Union Convention on Preventing and Combating Corruption, and the SADC Protocol Against Corruption. However, Mr. David Jamali, the chairperson of Act SA, urged ZACC to strongly push for a law to protect whistleblowers. What ZACC has done is very important. But as Act SA, we are urging ZACC to use its influence and push for a law that makes it mandatory to protect whistleblowers. We are saddened to hear of unending stories of reprisals against whistleblowers. Our anti-corruption heroes such as Hopewell Chin'ono continue to be persecuted for exposing corruption. ZACC and like minds should demand that the charges against him be unconditionally dropped. Close quote. He says Zimbabwe has no legal and policy framework to protect whistleblowers from reprisals regardless of having signed the United Nations Convention Against Corruption, the African Union Convention on Preventing and Combating Corruption, and the SADC Protocol Against Corruption. These instruments call upon state parties to protect whistleblowers and reporting persons. Post published in Featured